Let's go! Roger Federer, a former professional tennis player.
Roger Federer, a husband and a father.
Going to the outdoors, especially when the weather's so nice with the kids.
Plan for today is to go have a nice dinner with some friends who are in town. No, I'm definitely a person who likes to go out and try different foods, different things, different places. I think the more dressy pants give me a chance to also take off my jacket and still look the part, but more sporty chic, elevated, you know, but really comfortable.
Today I chose the outfit that allows me to be versatile, to go out there, be active, be sporty as well, because especially when you do sports, you want something that's a bit stretchy, that feels comfortable, don't have to think about it. At the moment, I think I'm really big into golf, so I'm really active lately. I also do some Pilates. I would recommend it to my boys, you know, because they do play golf, tennis, and you know, they go to school and they want to have something that is also probably very comfortable.
I mean, I would recommend it to my dad, you know. My dad is 80 years old. He could wear a jacket like this, no problem. T-shirt, I think he could do as well. The combo, I am not sure, but he's a cool guy.
Perfect for
casual
sportswear. Bye.